So I and my friend almost slept in a police station overnight because of a simple name. Story time. So I think it was 2 years ago or so. My friend, let's call her Amaka, her dad gave her money to start a business, as we had just finished serving and, she didn't want to work. And her dad felt, oh, we're going to give you a particular amount of money for you to start a business. So she came to me and then, we started brainstorming like, what business can we do? So we said, oh, she can start skincare because she did like training for skincare and lip care like some years back, like before then. So she was like, oh, she can just start like a skincare, line or a shop and start selling skincare products. And I was like, oh, that's very nice, woman. That's very easy. We can do that since it's something that you've always like had passion about, and that won't be hard. So I mean, since there was money on ground and the paper was resting in her account, sharp, we went to a plaza that was close to our house, and then we asked like for the price of a shop. It was affordable, so she paid sharp. Pam. Next thing we called painter. Painter came, repainted the whole place. We did a signage, put the signage like in front of the shop and outside like the premises of the shop and also like inside the shop. So now the name that we came up with was Glow Haven. Perfect name, beautiful name. I mean, we opened, Instagram accounts. I was her social media manager. And then she got somebody to create a website for her. And then we also opened like a bumper shop. And I mean, business was coming. Like all our friends, there was plenty of referrals. And then, we were selling a lot, or at least she was selling a lot. So one day she just called me. She's like, oh, Shekina, come on. I just got an email. I don't know who this person is. Maybe it's one of our haters. She was like, maybe it's one of our haters. I'm like, I'm coming now. That's how I rushed to her shop. When I got there, she like, opened her phone and I opened her email and I saw a message. The message said, oh, it's from a law firm. We're sending you a cease and desist from using the name Glow Haven. I'm like, it's a lie. This thing is fake. The way this handwriting is the handwriting of one of those people that are against us. Maybe one of your competitors. She's like, no, that's the exact same thing I was thinking. So we're like, just forget it, Jerry. I beg, let it go. So I think it was like a week later, they sent another cease and desist. This time I was like a bit worried, like, this thing is looking like it's becoming serious. So hope it's not like, well, now at that time, I wasn't a legal virtual assistant yet, and I didn't understand the importance of business name registration and all that. I mean, we were planning on doing like, CAC registration, but it wasn't like paramount or like priority to her and me as well. I mean, I'm her friend now, so it's me that is pushing her as well. Anyways, like 2 days after the second email came, we're just in her shop one day, and the next day we just saw like police officers and a man. That's how we saw the lawyer that had been texting her. We thought was a hater. He came with police officers and he said, we have to follow them to the station. We're like, why? I said, don't worry, Amaka, I'm following you. We're going together. Why would you just come and arrest you because of a name? No, we're not going to take that. That's how we went to the police station. When we got there, they were like, they sent you a cease and desist like almost 3 times and you've refused to listen, you refused to heed, you're still using Glow Haven. We're like, okay, oh, you just come and start telling me best you should stop using a particular name. Why? That's when we now found out that if a business is registered under CAC with a particular name and it is trademarked, then you cannot use that name. Now, at that time, I didn't know anything about startup law and I was not a legal virtual assistant. I was just a girl. I'm still just a girl anyway. I mean, but now I have knowledge about startup law. I have knowledge about, all the regulatory compliance methods for, CAC and for businesses and startups in Nigeria. That's how we're now telling them, oh, we're sorry, please don't be angry. All our initial grammar just came down like this. We're like, oh no. So we apologized to them and then we went home. When we got home, we're very, very sad because what that meant was we're going to have to start all over again. We're going to have to, get a unique name. But this time we had to get somebody who worked, a CAC agent that would help us do like a name search. So now she had to change her whole social media page, TikTok, Instagram, her whole website and bumper shop. We had to change every single thing, all the signages, we had to change them just because we didn't do a name search and register with CAC. So please do not be like Amaka, my friend. Do a name search for your unique business name and then register that business under a business name registration or limited liability company. Ciao.